Everyone says their bra is the most comfortable. So today, I'm putting that claim to the test. Underneath wireless shaping bra or a regular bra. Let's see. First up, the regular bra. Day 1 से मुझे underwire feel हो रहा था. It was digging, especially when I was working for long hours at my desk. Fit ठीक था, but ठीक ही था, कुछ special नहीं था. As for the underneath bra, इस wireless shaping bra में कोई hardware ही नहीं है. मतलब no underwire, no digging, no poking. Fit तो एकदम smooth था and the shape was very natural. Honestly, first day पे फर्क clear था. Next criteria was comfort. Regular bra माइनस रेगुलर ब्रा के साथ 5-6 घंटे बाद द स्ट्रैप स्टार्टेड डिगिंग एंड बैंड ऑल्सो शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम इट्स प्लेस. अंडरनीथ वाली में एडजस्टेबल स्ट्रैप्स है, सो आई कुड एडजस्ट इट अकॉर्डिंग टू माई फिट. देयर वाज अ फर्म सपोर्ट एंड लाइट टमी कंट्रोल टू. मतलब एक पॉइंट के बाद मैं भूल ही गई थी मैंने ब्रा पहनी. अब सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट फॉर मी वाज फैब्रिक बिकॉज इंडियन टेम्परेचर्स. दिस वाज एक्चुअली माई बिगेस्ट कंसर्न बिकॉज इंडियन वेदर इज वेरी हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड and regular bra fabric gets very uncomfortable and irritating after a point. With the regular bra, by afternoon the sweating started causing irritation. I felt like the fabric wasn't breathable enough. On the other hand, underneath fabric is actually 85% nylon and 15% elastane blend. Breathable भी है, antibacterial भी है, which also helps to minimize the odor. And it's zero polyester. तो पूरे दिन रिक्शा की गर्मी हो या ऑफिस का AC, the fabric never once felt sticky. Finally, band stay. By the end of the day, the regular bra's band had actually rolled up at the back, which is a very common issue for me even before the test. Underneath has a wide underband which prevents it from rolling. पूरे दिन में whether I was sitting, walking, working, doing anything, it didn't roll up at all. So from my personal experience, underneath clearly won. Fit was actually better and the comfort stayed consistent for all the 8 hours. The fabric actually tackled the Indian heat and the band didn't roll up. That's my honest week, no filters, just what exactly happened. Let me know in the comments if you also tried both and what was your experience like. I'll see you in the next one.